Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to multiply numbers in Excel. Here are some values in column A. We will multiply these values with values appearing in column B. So first of all, clear where you want to get multiplication of these values, and as we write every formula starting with equal, so we will write here equal. Then we will click on first value to write first value that is appearing in column A. Click on it and here you can see its address C4 is appearing. Then we will write multiplication sign, and in Excel asterisk is used as multiplication sign, so we will press asterisk and then we will click on the multiplier that is appearing in B column. So click on this and then enter. So here is the result. Now to apply this formula to remaining cells, drag from the right bottom and drag to the lowest, and here you can see all the values are multiplied. So this is how you can multiply numbers in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.